I'm making a 2-ingredient Pepsi cake mix. I dropped my soda. Let's see if I can open it without splatting everything everywhere. Ooh, yay. I think that worked, or not. Spray my pan. All right, we're gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. Here it is out of the oven. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. All right, got my chocolate frosting here. So now it's a 3-ingredient cake. So you can make it 2 or 3, however many you want to. Okay, I crumbled it to death, but that is delicious. I snuck a little piece. I'll have Mike taste test it in just a second. So this is 2-ingredient cherry Pepsi cake.
Oops, that was just the frosting.
Oh.
Oh man. No, the temptation.
I'm sorry.
Mmm.
Pretty darn tootin' good.
Yes, this is gonna be dessert after my salad.
Nope, I'm throwing it in the trash.